How do you define quality? Does it have a look, a shape, a size? At Wix Filtros, quality isn't just an abstract standard. It's right there, in the blueprint of everything we do, everything we are, everywhere we are.
Our vision statement is to be the best filtration company with the best people in the world. Our people stay with us year after year. I've been here for 23 years.
19 years.
11 years.
16 years.
14 years.
31 years.
34 years.
9 years.
44 years service.
8 años.
22 years.
6 lat.
13 years.
I've been with the company 38 years.
And it starts from a phone call from customers and the way we handle folks in the customer service side, all the way through the production of the filtration products that we make, through the packaging and the delivery. It's key for us.
At our Allen plant in Gastonia, North Carolina, you'll find quality wherever you look, and that's by design. From engineering to production to the final shipment, everyone is working with the same goal in mind: absolute quality for 100% customer satisfaction. Before it goes on the line, each Wix filter is designed and tested to the most exacting standards in the industry.
What we do in engineering is that we design, develop, prototype, and test all product before we launch them into the manufacturing. And we're looking to get a higher capacity than the product that's the original part, as well as a higher efficiency. We have a full test lab capable of performing tests on air filters, oil filters, cabin air filters, fuel filters, and all of the tests that we do would conform to the ISO standards or the SAE standards. Quality.
Jakość. La calidad.
Quality starts right here.
Once the testing is complete, the filter is ready for production. We select the materials, create the dyes, and begin the process with plenty of quality measures along the way.
We have the blueprints available real time on the shop floor, so the employees at any time can pull up and verify the product they're running to make sure they're running to the proper specifications. So that we can also verify each part and each product that we run to make sure that it's running correctly. The division quality manual kind of keeps all the facilities doing the same things, and the requirements are the same. And we're tied, of course, to the TS requirements and ISO requirements, and we're registered with both of those. So those are important ways to make sure that we're on the leading edge of what's happening.
If we do have an issue at one of our plants, my job is to support them, to work with the plant, to work with the customers, to work with the suppliers, to resolve those as quickly as we can, so that we get to consistency from plant to plant across the world. We will put a cross-functional team in place. That cross-functional team would probably be engineering as well as manufacturing, could be purchasing, certainly the quality group, and from time to time, if it's a supplier issue, we'll have our supplier in as part of that team. And a lot of times, as a result of this, we come out with some really innovative and best practice ideas that we're able to share with our other plants. So it's really been good for us. Quality starts right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Quality starts right here.
Once the filter is completed and packaged, it has one final stop in its quality journey before it reaches the customer: the Master Distribution Center.
We manage over 1 million filters a day, and that's incoming, outbound, that's all the transactions that take place in between. Essentially, we are the first-line customer in a manner of speaking, because we're going to see the product very much in the same way that our end customer will.
So we are looking at the packaging, we are looking at the product in and of itself to ensure that it's perfect.
International standards are increasingly important as we continue to open new facilities around the world. It's up to us to ensure quality in locations separated by hundreds and sometimes thousands of miles. But our strategy is simple. We won't open a new facility unless it fits our model for quality.
Whether we expand through acquisitions, joint ventures, or greenfielding, the main things we look for and have to have is trust with the people we deal with, a good working environment, and of course quality is most important.
We now have operations in Eastern Europe, in Poland, in the Ukraine. We have operations in China, operations in Mexico, obviously the United States, and Venezuela, and Brazil. And we're able to bring these products together competitively priced with very consistent global standards.
I started my career back in Venezuela 10 years ago as a process engineer. Eventually I was offered the opportunity to continue my training as a process engineer over here in the United States. I found it was pretty easy to adapt to this new environment because the processes and the quality were the same. Quality is paramount in the company, and as engineers, if we find a problem, we wouldn't leave the process until everything is running fine and up to standards.
Quality starts right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Quality starts right here.
Maintaining a consistent level of quality across the globe is a challenge. But as we can see at our facility in Gostin, Poland, quality means the same thing in any language.
The quality is the most important element in our business. Quality does not accept excuse. We are proud of our Filtron facility. You know, our workers are really fantastic. I love them. This is many reasons that they are good. They never stop developing their skills. They are very knowledgeable people everywhere. This is in offices and on the production side.
We have received many awards for our quality. For example, Polish Business Quality Awards and Q1 Quality Award from Ford Motor Company. Every production line has a lot of checkpoints where we verified each filter's elements, like threads, like covers, like seals, so we assure that our ready product is very good and is according with our requirements and our customer requirements.
We use the same standards for testing raw materials. We use the same standard for testing ready goods as they use in the United States. So the procedures are the same. The main requirements for the raw materials are the same. So the standard, the quality is the same.
At the end of the day, in facilities thousands of miles apart, the results are the same. A Wix filter is a quality filter, all the way down the line. And where does it all start?
Quality starts right here.
Right here.
Tutaj. Right here.
Jakość zaczyna się tutaj.
Right here.
Right here.
Quality starts right here.
Quality.
Jakość.
Right here.
La calidad.
Jakość zaczyna się tutaj.
Quality.
Właśnie tutaj.
Nuestra calidad empieza aquí.
Right here.
Jakość zaczyna się tutaj.
Quality starts right here.